Kids Hair Clipper, Professional Baby Barber IP-X7 by e-commerce tech is one of the best sellers among baby hair clippers products. Safe and easy to use kids hair clipper boasts of the strengthened waterproof treatment to IP-X7 level, so that it could be clean and at the same time work normally when its body is dipped in water, thus easier to tidy up the broken hairs. Designed for babies, A. The dismountable and washable ceramic blade exclusive to the infants makes it convenient for cleaning and the hair not being nipped. B. Quiet technique is adopted that could free it from work noise with only about 50 decibels, making the babies no fear to the haircut. USB charge, powerful corded and cordless use, charges in 6 hours for 60 minutes of cordless use. Material, the adopts ABS eco-friendly material for its body and equipped with a high-power motor. Such a high power provides a strong drive to make the clipper not get stuck while working. Haircuts kit is a complete kit. The parents can use it as long as they have it. Equipping with 9 and 12 mm long protective comb, which make it possible for new mothers to safely cut hair for their babies with no fear of making mistakes, by equipping with 3 and 6 mm short protective comb, which make it quite easy for have a crew cut and make the trimmed hairstyle look natural. Besides, it also equips with a unique comb for trimming that makes it quite easy to thin the baby's thick hair or trim. Description: easy to use. Quick charge, can be charged during using. Assorted grip helps to clip hair very easily. Small and lightweight, easy to maneuver and less tiring for parents. You can use the combs kit the moment you have it without worrying about that you are a green hand and could screw it up. The ingenious design of guide comb ensures a new mother a clean and even haircut at length of 3 mm, 6 mm, 9 mm or 12 mm. Detachable cutter with special and safe baby blades. The whole body of the hair clipper is IP-X7 level waterproof. Safe and comfortable. With specially rounded comb tips and blades, the kids clipper will not scratch your child's skin. The clipper is also quiet, which is especially important when cutting around the ears. Package includes -1 by hair clipper, -1 by cleaning pad, -1 by user manual English, -1 by cleaning brush, -1 by long protective comb, 9 mm 12 mm, to help cut your baby's hair for 9 or 12 mm, -1 by short protective comb, 3 mm 6 mm, to help cut your baby's hair for 3 or 6 mm. -1 by sideburns comb, it quite easy to make it for those mothers who merely want to thin the baby's thick hair or trim. -1 by charger cord, when the clipper is connected to the power supply, it could also function well while being charged. Of course, you also can operate it after the charging finished. Certificate, CE, Rose. Patent registered, authorized. The manufacturer devote myself into developing the quality of the manufacturer's modern life.